video will be in English. So first thing you need to do is select your course and select your university. When you clear your credibility interview, you need to show some documents regarding your funds to the university. I got within 3 days. I got my visa within 3 days after embassy interview. वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल द सनी वाइब्स। मैं हूँ नेहा और गाइस यूके में चल रही हैं समर्स और यहाँ पर समर्स और विंटर का एक साथ ही रहता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया की तरह प्रॉपर आपकी समर्स आ जाएं। तो आज हम एंजॉय करने आए थे रेनी डे, तो हमने सोचा कि एक वीडियो बना दी जाए क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत सी क्वेरीज़ आ रही हैं लाइक मैम कितना टाइम लगा आपकी वीज़ा फ़ाइल प्रोसेस होने में, या आपका इंटरव्यू आया उसके बाद आप VFS गए तो कितना टाइम लगा। तो आज की वीडियो इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देने वाली है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी वीडियो से। और गाइज़ आज जो मैं वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ ये मैं इंग्लिश में बनाने वाली हूँ क्योंकि कुछ एक हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं जिनको लैंग्वेज इशू है, वो हिंदी अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पाते और उन्होंने हमें पर्सनल मैसेज भी किया है कि आप इंग्लिश में वीडियो बनाइए। So today's video will be in English. So I hope you will like the video. So let's start with the video now. So guys, whenever you plan to study abroad, the first thing you need to do is select your course and select your university. So what to do in that regard? Just Google your course, whatever course you are interested in, and then there will be a list of universities which you will have in Google, and from that you can select any one of the university which you find the best suitable to you. Or the second tip which I want to give you here is don't select only one university. Do one thing, just select 2 to 3 universities so that you can compare with their study pattern, their infrastructure, and whatever fee structure they have, the modules they are offering. So on the basis of that all, you can shortlist at least 2 to 3 universities. Why I'm saying so that you need to select 2 to 3 universities? Because in case if you will rely on one university only and there will be any problem and they will reject your application, then you will end up with nothing. So the next step is, after shortlisting your university on the basis of module and course and the duration of your course, the next thing is just do the application process. Now how you will do that? First of all, you will ask for the conditional or unconditional letter. So I'm gonna explain what is conditional letter and what is unconditional letter here. So whenever you apply in any university, they're gonna give you a letter which is known as conditional letter. Conditional letter, why they are offering you? Because there are some conditions that you need to fulfill, like any documentation which is left that you need to provide them. Otherwise directly they will offer you unconditional letter. After the unconditional letter, when you have unconditional letter in your hand, the next step is to look after your fees. In some of the universities, they are saying you to deposit fees, like half of the fees you need to deposit before your interview, and then only they will conduct interview. As I did in my university, I have submitted half of my fees before my credibility interview when I have my unconditional letter in my hand. So guys, after getting your unconditional letter, they will give you a mail for your credibility interview. So you will get notified through mail. If you have given your mail, then the notification will come on your mail, otherwise on your consultant's mail. And when you get the notification for credibility interview, now you will be thinking like in how much time you will get that mail. So there can be like 1 to 2 weeks you will get the mail for credibility interview. That based on like number of applications they have. When I have applied, the number of applications were quite less, so in that moment I got in 1 week only. So after that you have the credibility interview, and how to prepare for credibility interview I have already made one video for that, so you can go on my channel, you can check there, and that will help you a lot guys. So after preparing for your credibility interview, then the final day and time when they will allot you, then on that day you need to give your best for your interview. And and once you clear your interview, some of the universities are giving result immediately after just ending up your interview. Like in my case, I got my result within 1 minute even they told me after the interview that you cleared the interview and we are very happy to have you with us. So you will get the notification, and after that they will just ask for the another deposit. Like in first deposit you have done already before your interview, and the next deposit they ask before your cash letter. For some of the universities I am talking about, not all the universities. And on the other hand, some universities are asking for the first installment for cash. So that depends on the university you have chosen. So guys, when you clear your credibility interview, you need to show some documents regarding your funds to the university, and once you show that particular documents to the university, after that they'll issue you cash letter. How much time it takes to issue cash letter is approximate 1 to 2 weeks. So after 1 to 2 weeks you will have your cash letter in your hand. So when you have cash letter, the next thing is you will take appointment from VFS office. So from VFS Global you will have your appointment once. So they'll tell you on which date you need to come there for fingerprints, for other documentation which they need, because till now we were providing the documents to the university only. Now the time when we need to provide the documents to the embassy. So before that, sometimes it happens that if you have gap, then they'll not just give you direct your visa. After that they'll give you a notification through mail that you need to have your embassy interview. In my case the same thing happens. Once I have taken my appointment to VFS, I have gone there. After approximate 20 days I got my visa officer interview. I got the mail from UKVI New Delhi office that you have your visa interview. And my previous interview, credibility one, was on Teams, and this interview was on Zoom. So you need to be very careful about the time and the platform on which you need to give your interview, and you need to install that particular software before that. So after having your visa officer interview, and yeah, one more thing guys, don't panic that you have your visa officer interview, so they are gonna ask you many questions and they are gonna judge you, they are gonna pull you out from the list. No, there is nothing like that. They'll conduct interview to find whether any candidate is genuine or not, and in that the particular thing which you need to show is your genuinity. If you are coming with your dependent, then your idea should be clear, like why your dependent is coming with you. These things they are gonna ask you in the embassy interview. So embassy interview is bit same as your credibility interview, so you can again prepare for the same. So after that the next thing is your visa. Yeah, after just clearing your interview, embassy interview, the next thing is your visa. You will wait for your visa. In my case, I got within 3 days. I got my visa within 3 days after embassy interview. And why I got embassy interview is due to the gap, because I have approximate 5 to 6 years gap, and my dependent was also coming with me. So it's but obvious that they'll give me embassy interview. So that depends. So after having your embassy interview, you will have your visa in your hand within 2-3 days. Maybe it can take bit longer for you, as I have already told that there may be some more applications and that can affect your result. So after 1 week, approximate after 1 week, you will have your visa in your hand. So once you have your visa, the next thing is your dependent's visa. So I have my husband's visa after 1 week. So you need to be patient and you need to wait for your visa. Just pray to God that you will get your visa. So this was the process guys, which I have told you. Approximate 1 to 2 weeks is the time for each part, for each step. If you will see the video, I have told you every time that it takes 1 to 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah, it takes actually 1 to 2 weeks. So this was the full process. After that we got our visas in our hand and then we start preparing for the other things. So guys, this was the video which I wanna tell you about the time duration, how much time it takes to get your visa. And yeah, one more thing guys, if you have taken your message service, then you will get every notification through message. You will get to know like where your application is right now. I suggest you to take your message service. And the second thing which I'm gonna tell you here, which is most important guys, like some of the consultants are always trying to give you a suggestion that firstly you need to apply for your visa, and after 1 month you need to apply for your dependent's visa. So guys, just be very careful in that regard. If you are applying together, then you should have a very important point for that, that why you are coming together. And these all things I have explained in my credibility interview video, so you can go there and check out the video. So guys, this was done for today. So I'll come with another video in front of you guys. So till then, bye bye and have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So bye bye, have a nice day.